Dr. Gillton.
Oh, hi, Pelpy. What can Dr. Gillton do for you today?
I want some grass.
Oh, you want more grass? All right, here's more grass. Oh, and why are you out here next to some peanuts?
Because you didn't give me more grass, so now I want squirrels to eat me.
You're so dramatic. So, where's the microphone and where's the speakers I listen to?
Alright, forget about it. I've disposed of that plan.
What? Why?
Last night I slipped a speaker and microphone into your drink.
It appears German Gilboy has crashed.
Is our life a Sharknado sequel?
Slush is nearing the finish line.
I won't make it. Pelpy, he's gonna win. I won't win my million.
I'm handling things my way. Hi, Kim. Can you do me a favor?
Have turned!
I put the fire out. You know what that means, Pelpy?
It means there's a chance you might actually have a functioning brain. I'm impressed.
It means I can be a firefighter.
Okay, never mind. I take that back. You are stupid.
I'm going to be one of the very first guests at Raleigh World. Oh no! My Raleigh World ticket!
Gregory, he lost a Raleigh World ticket.
So?
That means it must be still out there. And if you get it, you might be one of the first people to attend Raleigh World.
Huh, but isn't that silly?
My pappy had a saying. Finders keepers. Now you wouldn't want to step on his legacy, would you?
And I don't want to stomp on anyone's legacy.
Good. Now go find that ticket. Hi, Gregory.
Oh, hi, Pelpy. What are you doing here?
I'm here to taste out your ramen noodles.
Oh, alright.
Too cold. I recommend putting these on a bowl and putting them on the stove to make them hotter.
Cook them on the stove, but that's dangerous.
So is allowing this cold food on your cooking show. Now you wouldn't want to go out of business.
I don't want my TV show to go out of business.
Good. Now put them on the stove.
Alright, drop the bombs. Alright, I'm gonna cook it.
Look, Gregory, what you did to your house. They're definitely going out of business. Why did you think cooking ramen noodles on the stove was okay?
Nothing better than firefighting all day and coming back home. Pelpy, what happened?
Instead of being there for me when I take a bird bath, you decide you want to become a fake firefighter. So I lit your house on fire to prove to you that only a real firefighter can put it out.
You're mean for convincing me to burn down my own house once. But burning my house down yourself just because you don't like that I firefight is just mentally insane. Out of the oven.
50 Shades of Feathers.
Daddy, can you whip me up some eggs and toast?
Gregory, it's just me.
Ah, Pelpy, what happened?
You went into a coma for a few days after your house exploded.
Wait a minute. You lit my house on fire.
I'm really sorry, Gregory. That was really foolish of me. I just thought this firefighting thing of yours was going to get in the way of our friendship, and you wouldn't be able to balance working 2 jobs and spending time with me. So do you forgive me?
Pelpy, I forgive you. Even if you did psychopathically lit up my house.
And I thought that lighting your house on fire would make you give up. Well, looks like I was proven wrong. You actually are a pretty good firefighter. So, are we still friends?
Friends.
Hooray!
Oh, Pelpy, what were you unplugging when I woke up?